Hello student. Today we will do question number 4 and 5 from exercise 3B Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 4. 100 rupees. Question number 4. 100 rupees share of a company means market value, nominal value of one share equal to rupees 100. 100 rupees share of a company are available at the market at a premium of rupees 20. It's market value of one share equal to rupees 120. Find the rate of dividend given by the company when man's return on his investment is 15%. Suppose a man had bought one share, so return on one share is equal to 15 by 100 into 120. Is 18. 18 is a return on one share. So rate of since nominal value of one share is rupees 100, so and return is 18, so rate of find the rate of dividend, therefore rate of dividend then equal to 18%. This is answer. Now see question number 5. Rupees 50 share means nominal value of one share is equal to rupees 50. Quoted at a discount of 10%. So market value of one share (50 minus 10) minus 10%. Means rupees 45. Market value is rupees 45. Find the rate of dividend given by a company, the return on the investment of this share being 20%. So return on one share means we can say dividend on one share. One share is equal to return is 20%, means 20 by 100 into 45. 9 means rupees 9. Rupees 9 is return. So dividend on one share. So the rate of dividend then rate of and dividend. This 9 dividend is on rupees 50, means 9 by 50 into 100. 8%. So 5 to the, this is 18%. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.